In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in on CapCut software PC. So without any time wastage, let's jump here. First, I need to select one's video. Okay, this is my video. So I want to zoom in at here. So just go to video, then basic, then click on add keyframe here. Then again go to the second step here. Then go to again add keyframe. So again go here. Then again add keyframe. So go back to your first step, then click on zoom in. Okay, I am going on second one, then go zoom. Okay, that's good. So I want to play first one. Wow, you can see it's really working good. So this is a method you can zoom in and out. This is the same way actually. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. If you have any questions, please comment below. See you again, take care, goodbye.